Looker Studio versus Looker Studio Pro. Which one should you choose in 2025? Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to compare Looker Studio and Looker Studio Pro in 2025. Both of these tools come from the same family but offer different features and capabilities. Let's break down their differences to help you decide which one is right for you. Looker Studio. Looker Studio, previously known as Google Data Studio, is a free and user-friendly data visualization tool ideal for individuals, small businesses, and teams that need basic reporting and data visualization. It allows you to connect a variety of data sources, including Google Analytics, Google Sheets, and other third-party platforms. With Looker Studio, you can create and share dynamic dashboards and reports without much technical knowledge, making it a great tool for those who need quick, simple visualizations. Looker Studio Pro. Looker Studio Pro is the premium version of Looker Studio, designed for businesses and larger teams that require more advanced capabilities. With Looker Studio Pro, you get additional features like enhanced data governance, better collaboration tools, and more powerful integrations. It also offers features for more complex data modeling and analytics, which are essential for large-scale data operations. Looker Studio Pro is built to handle high-volume data workflows and provides more control over your dashboards and reports. Conclusion. So, which one should you go for? Looker Studio is perfect for personal use, small businesses, or individuals who need quick and easy data visualizations with no cost involved. Looker Studio Pro is ideal for larger organizations or teams that need advanced data management features, enhanced security, and more powerful reporting capabilities. Both tools are great, but if you need robust data analysis and advanced features for your team, Looker Studio Pro will be your best option. For simpler needs, Looker Studio should work just fine. If you found this comparison helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. See you in the next one.